everybody, I wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on. I'm not going to be uploading a cooking video tonight, but I will be tomorrow night. I picked up this double burner. I'll be unboxing it tomorrow and using it for the first time. I'm really excited about it. I did pick up a few extra things for what I'm going to be cooking up in my kitchen. And yeah, so I just wanted to say hello. That's what's going on. Don't forget to join me tomorrow. I am super excited about this. I can't wait to see how it fits on my cooking area. And yeah, so I'll see you then. Ooh, what's up, baby? Looking pretty sexy. Whew. This is my type of excitement. I just wanted to fill you in on some stuff that's been going on today. Oh my God.